Hello, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Get ready to enter into the captivating realm of making money with crypto, even if you're starting with little to no funds. Introducing our riveting video, How to Make Money with Crypto with No Money. 8 ways for everyone. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to deliver a wealth of invaluable insights, comprehensive know-how, and a touch of humor to make this journey both enlightening and enjoyable. But before we set sail on this transformative crypto money-making adventure, it's essential to note that this instructional video is not intended as financial advice. While we won't be offering specific financial guidance, we're here to provide you with 8 simple ways, ingenious strategies, and resourceful tools to set you on the path to crypto prosperity without a significant upfront investment. Let's talk about a really cool way to snag yourself some cryptocurrency without spending a dime. We all know how valuable these digital coins can be, and wouldn't it be awesome to get some for free? Sure, you can buy crypto with your regular money, and plenty of websites and apps help you do just that. And hey, if you're feeling tech savvy, you might have even considered mining crypto. But let's be real, these methods come with their fair share of risks. Crypto prices can be as unpredictable as an Elon Musk tweet, and that's saying something. But guess what? We've got a trick up our sleeves, and it's a surefire way to score some cryptocurrency without spending a single cent. Number 1, free cash. So check this out. Free cash allows you to earn cryptocurrency without breaking a sweat. They've teamed up with advertising and research companies that want you to do certain tasks. And guess what? You get rewarded with free crypto for doing them. You can find offers and surveys specific to where you live, and completing them will get you some sweet cryptocurrency. Here's the cool part. You can use the crypto you earn from free cash for things like gift cards or even snazzy Counter-Strike global offensive skins. And that's not all. There's more to it. You can instantly cash out your crypto. You only need as little as 10 cents to start. They support cryptocurrencies like Doge, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. Pretty awesome, right? You can play games and tackle other tasks to earn even more. People are making over $20 a day on average with free cash. Talk about some serious earning potential. Signing up is a piece of cake. You can use your Google or Steam account, or even sign up with your email. 1,000 free cash coins you collect are worth 1 USD. And while regular withdrawals take just 5 to 10 minutes, if you're going for a PayPal payout, give it around 24 hours. You can access free cash from your computer or phone, whatever floats your boat. And before you get going, make sure to give their FAQ section a look-see. It has some handy info to help you before you jump in and start earning. Hold on to your virtual hats because our next destination promises an even wilder ride as we bid farewell to the realm of free cash's crypto escapades. Get ready to warp into the exciting world of learning and earning with Coinbase. Let's soar into this new world and see how you can snatch some tokens from the digital skies. Number 2, Coinbase. So guess what? Over at Coinbase, they're making learning about various cryptocurrencies super interesting. Get this, you can earn some tokens while you're at it. Seriously, it's as easy as it sounds. You learn and earn. Some of the eligibility terms might not match up for everyone unless you're thinking of packing your bags and moving to a different country. Yep. This program is only up for grabs in specific countries. The good news is that Coinbase is working on adding more countries to the list as we chat, so stay tuned for that. But fear not, aspiring crypto mavericks. I'm here to equip you with the knowledge and techniques to navigate the world of making money with crypto without any initial funds. If you're thrilled about embarking on this adventure, show your excitement by giving that like button a gentle tap below. Ready for the next way to earn free money? Let's get started. Number 3, CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, offers a similar learn and earn initiative for crypto enthusiasts, but takes it up a notch compared to Coinbase. Here's the deal. They've got quizzes to ensure you know your stuff. It's not just about getting in, you've got to ace those quizzes with a flawless 100% to snag some free crypto. Plus, be prepared because some courses might have specific tasks tied to them. The bummer is that CoinMarketCap also has a few countries on the no entry list. Keep this in mind, this program works on a first come, first served basis. In other words, if you want those tokens, you've got to jump in before they run out. They're only giving out tokens up to a certain amount, so time to put that crypto knowledge to the test. Next, we have a way to earn some free crypto while exploring the world. Number 4, Coin Hunt World. Check out Coin Hunt World. It's like Pokemon Go, but for crypto. With this game, you'll be out and about collecting keys, opening boxes, and making new friends based on your location. And here's the cool part. While you're at it, you can earn some free Bitcoin and Ethereum, no strings attached. The masterminds behind the popular cryptocurrency exchange Bittrex are the creators of this game, and rumor has it that some Reddit users are pulling in around 50 to 100 USD per week through it. The catch? If you're in the USA, Canada, the UK, or El Salvador, there's no catch. You're all set. For those elsewhere, you might need patience as Coin Hunt World gradually expands its reach to more countries. Now, while Ethereum earnings require a trusty Coinbase account, our next journey is a little simpler. All you need is an ERC20 wallet address. And guess what? Starting with MetaMask is compatible and a wallet with an awesome free price tag. Number 5, Crypto Popcoin. Introducing Crypto Popcoin, a fun game that offers a way to earn free Ethereum and Popcoin. The concept is straightforward. Group coins together and tap them, aiming to pop as many coins as possible within each stage for bonuses. Each game point you earn will translate into 1 Popcoin. While Ethereum earnings require a Coinbase account, earning Popcoin only demands an ERC20 wallet address, a wallet like MetaMask, which like we said is compatible and free. It's a great starting point. If you want more videos about ways to log crypto adventures, comment below and hit that like button. But wait, our crypto journey is going strong. Next, let's sail with the internet browser where surfing the web becomes a rewarding treasure hunt for basic attention tokens, BATs, all while embracing the power of privacy. Number 6, Brave Rewards. Earning free cryptocurrency becomes a breeze with Brave Rewards. Using the Brave web browser and enabling Brave Rewards, you can effortlessly accrue basic attention tokens or BATs without engaging in courses or games. Originally focused on tipping websites you appreciate, Brave now lets you verify your Brave wallet to convert those rewards. Bagging 70% of your ad revenue might not be a windfall, but it's a nice addition to the perks of opting for the privacy-respecting Brave browser. This differs from the run-of-the-mill targeted advertising. You won't encounter ads tailored to your browsing history. And for those who like control, you can tweak the default ad frequency of 5 ads per hour. But hold up. Let's take a moment to appreciate your fantastic passion for learning and exploring. If this journey into the world of earning crypto without any upfront investment got you excited and engaged, why not show your support by giving that like button a satisfying tap? And hey, if you want to keep up with more awesome content and continue this incredible journey with us, consider hitting that subscribe button too. Your encouragement fuels us to bring you more valuable insights and keep this adventure going strong. Now, whether creating an account, syncing your Twitter, referring friends, or simply spending time on the platform, every action you take becomes a stepping stone toward accumulating tokens through this next amazing app. Number 7, Lunar Crush. Think of Lunar Crush as your ultimate hub for all things crypto related, rounding up discussions and mentions from all corners of the internet and serving them up for your convenience. The bonus? You can earn Lunar, a cryptocurrency token, just by getting active on Lunar Crush without spending a dime. From signing up and connecting your Twitter, referring friends, and even spending time on the platform. Every move counts. Your actions aren't the sole deciding factor. With 65,000 Lunar tokens up for grabs each day, your slice of the pie depends on how your interactions measure up against the collective activities of all users. Once you've earned your Lunar, you can easily check your stash in the Lunar Crush account and then seamlessly transfer it to your linked crypto wallet. For a deep dive into the mechanics, you can always explore the intricacies of how Lunar operates. Next, we have another internet browser that has a browser extension with some awesome crypto earning potential. Number 8, pre-search. Ever heard of pre-search? It's not your typical search engine. It's community driven and powered by blockchain technology. In simple terms, regular users like you run the show with their nodes. Node software can be installed by anyone on their computer or access server capacity to help power the new pre-search decentralized search engine. By running Node software, operators help crawl the web for the information needed to answer user search queries. To get started, create an account and start collecting pre-tokens. They even have a browser extension that lets you access pre-search directly from your address bar. And when you've gathered 1,000 pre-tokens, you're good to withdraw. Check your account page for the updates on your progress. Oh man, what an amazing journey we've shared, fellow crypto explorers. From grasping the fundamentals of earning money in crypto without any upfront investment to uncovering advanced places to earn free crypto, we've delved into every corner. Just keep these insights in mind and you'll be on your way to pocketing crypto riches without spending a dime. Get ready to thrive in the world of crypto earnings. Before we conclude, there's one final request we'd love to make to our incredible audience. If you found this journey through the realm of earning money in crypto without any upfront investment informative and enjoyable, kindly hit that like button and think about subscribing to our channel. Plus, don't miss out on leaving a comment below. Share any remarkable ways you've earned crypto for free during your crypto adventures, and let us know what you'd like to see in upcoming videos. Your support is our driving force, and we strive to deliver more valuable content and keep this incredible journey going strong.